this time, this is really, really trying times. And with everything that's happening around with the pandemic and people, I know it is really, really very sad, all that is happening. And all of you who've lost your dear ones, or people are sick, I really, my heart goes out to all of you and at this time. And today I'm going to talk about just a few of the emotions that we face at this time. One of them I know is anger. Anger is one emotion. Now, anger, it is an emotion that is there and we can't stop it because of whatever has happened. But we have to change it, otherwise it's going to go into our body and destroy us actually. So one way I found is that when you feel angry, think of someone you love, and you will find you can think of someone you love. And also you can use rose essential oil or take a rose flower and smell it. What I find is I use a rose essential oil. I normally take a few drops in my hand and think of the person that I love, and I take a few deep breaths, and this really helps me a great deal. Try it. Most of us are finding a problem, in fact, in sleeping at this time. Or very often it's sleeping at many times. Whenever we get stressed, we have a problem, or any other thing, we start thinking. Sleep is something that takes a long time to come. And what I have found that I really like to do is I like to use lavender essential oil. I put a few drops in a bucket of water, and I pour it all over me. I also take a few drops of lavender, rub it on the palms of my hand, my solar plexus, under my feet, and then lie down in bed and start having a few deep breaths. I breathe in and I breathe out. In fact, I start counting my breaths and following my breaths. Now this helps a great deal, and I found that I go to sleep quite fast.